Hi guys, this is testimony 32. So today's Friday, so I'm gonna make a fidget spinner. Fidget spinner hunting. So see you there. 1, 2. I'm here right now. And here's are the fidget spinners. So yeah, fidget spinner guys. I'm gonna show you on a table. And 3, 2. We're here on the table. So this is the fidget spinner I got. Cool as the one where you could take it off. Let me see. This kind of feels unbalanced. You just have to make it even. So when you put it back on,
Okay. And you guys have some.
have it back to balance. So
Here you go.
I hope you guys like this video. Bye.